Yep, train station, Hoi. No, Đồng Hới. Always get that wrong.
Okay, so it's going down this way.
Yeah.
I know this makes sense. It's so different from the abstract, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh wow, these are great, aren't they? Hello. Hello. Bye-bye. Bye. Very nice welcome in the hotel. Flower and a cake with pork bits on it. Weird. Okay, this is a new coffee. This is a salted cheese coffee. It's actually really good, although most of it, my nose and my moustache. It's supposed to be the bar. Doesn't look like it's open. There's nothing in the fridge. This place is just dead. Completely dead. Here's the restaurant. Big restaurant. No one in sight. Just no one around. Thought we'd check out the bar. Wow. Rooftop bar, maybe. Don't think so. It's so hot in here. Nice view though. We won't be coming up here though. It's like a fucking sauna. Still got shitty music from downstairs as well. This is the hotel swimming pool.